Hi friends, today we have an iPhone 7 for repair. As the owner said, the charging socket is faulty and the phone does not charge. I see that one screw is missing, but oh well. Let's disassemble the phone. Next, I will warm up the phone on the separator, since the display is held on the inside with a little double-sided tape. For easy disassembly, it is better to warm up the phone. I see that the phone has already been repaired, and there is one part missing. One screw came loose and stuck to the magnetic speaker. To replace the socket cable, you need to remove the board in any case, because it does not allow you to remove the cable. I ordered a new cable on the marketplace. Then I installed it and it does not work and the phone does not charge. There are a lot of low-quality goods on the marketplaces, so be careful. I tried to restore the old connector and I managed to do it. I cleaned the connector with a toothpick and then chemically cleaned the contacts. We will assemble with the old cable and send the new non-working one back. When installing the board, make sure that the plate is on top of the board, otherwise the board will not sit in its place, as I have now. Let me remind you that we don't have a plate that holds the connectors. Before you install the display, you need to make sure that the phone is charging. Everything is fine. So let's assemble the phone. Let's check, friends. I have a new charging cable with an indicator. As you can see, the phone is charging. The current consumption of the phone is 1 ampere. I will probably offer this cable to the client so that there are no more problems with charging. That's all, friends. I hope the video was useful. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in new videos. Bye!